Yo, what's going on, man? It's your boy KZ Flicks, and today I'm talking about I shot a music video with the Nikon ZR, and I want to show you guys what does it look like. Is the Nikon ZR capable of shooting music videos, especially urban music videos? Aside from cinematography, can this camera be playful and can it be fun while doing music videos? So before I get into and show you guys the music video, I want you to like, subscribe, and comment. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. But before I get into the video, Nikon, if you hear me, if you hear us, the camera is wonderful. Couple things though. Number one, we need better exposure tools. That little waveform, little histogram is not working. People like me, people like others, we use gray cards and stuff like that. And also we need to fix the zebra thing. I can't even put my zebras at 33%. You know, when you're using red color space, you know, reds tend to, their grays fall into the 33 and the third percent. 33, 33, 33. I can't get my zebras to 33, it's going to 35. We need false colors, you know? We need to fix the zebra thing. We need more exposure tools. We need traffic lights. We need false color. We need that. Number two, I'm trying to load the LUTs directly from the Red website onto my camera. And only 2 of them is going on my card, and I can only upload only 2 out of 9. It's coming up error, it's not loading in. I don't know. We need a firmware update or something. We need to figure that out. I did all the things right. In my micro SD card, I made a root directory for LUTs and all that stuff. I did all of that. It still doesn't work. We need this fixed, Nikon. What else? I think that's about it for now. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe. I'm also going to do a color grading tutorial. I'm going to show you how I color grade my stuff. But nonetheless, let's get into the video. Peace.
Okay. All that game shit, all that dumb shit, nigga. Strictly dumb shit, nigga.
This a PSA, I ain't come to play. Me and Doggy out there on that block, this ain't a pit. This a great thing. Every day I'm getting money, to me is a great day. I've been on slack, this shit about you in my face, ain't talk about pay. I ain't slept in 24 hours, I'm hustling, stay out my way. And this bitch keep nagging by not spending time while I need space. Niggas damn near touching 30 with no pay, that ain't okay. And I won't tell you that it is, cause it ain't. These niggas ain't got no drive, tell me what you doing for. Dude looking for a front, let's see how quick he movable. Niggas want what I got, can't walk a mile in my shoes. Yo, it's finna be a long ride, I'm finna take my shoes off. Dude say he wanna make some cake, this ain't a bakery. I just rolled the 3-5 in the blunt, it ain't no shaking. That's all nugs, I walk into the spot with baggers with me and it's all love. In the strip club throwing money in the air, it's all dub. But nigga couldn't hang with the gangs, I got him throwing up. And bro just passed another perky to me, got me going up. Standing on the business, getting money, what I do it for. And I can get some money even with my eyes closed. That mean I can see the money even with a blindfold. Brody running in and out the bank like he a John Doe. On the road, ripping, running, got my fucking mind gone. And you ain't never touched no money, what the fuck you lying for? This a PSA, I ain't come to play. Me and Doggy out there on that block, this ain't a pit. This a great day. Every day I'm getting money, to me is a great day. I've been on slack, this shit about you in my face, ain't talk about pay. I ain't slept in 24 hours, I'm hustling, stay out my way. And this bitch keep nagging by not spending time while I need space. Niggas damn near touching 30 with no pay, that ain't okay. And I won't tell you that it is, cause it ain't.